to number 2 cutting.
Talk louder. Number 2 cutting. Isn't there surprise stuff in there, Briggs?
Yeah.
Ooh, cutting.
I'm going to start with the white one. I'm going to cut open with the card again. I do remember cutting number 1. That was that way. This one was a surprise.
And kids, this is exciting because there's like 15 or 20 things to open.
That was magic. This is magic.
Nice.
I cut open with. This is magic.
Okay.
We got a yellow crayon rock.
All right, maybe put the stuff on the tray after we get it opened. Good job.
Okay, kids, now we're going to do a double. I want magic with my hand. Kids, it's magic, see?
Wow.
Now let's open it rest. And we got a capsule. We don't need the capsule. I got 2 rocks and a ticket.
Ooh.
Well, we put these rocks here on my ticket.
Mm-hmm.
And now we're going to do this one. Just look at it. I can cut like this, guys.
Nice.
And I got a rock. Show my sister.
How do you do?
Watch this, kid.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to cut it open. Whoa, look at it, kids. I made it go right through. So I could cut.
Good job.
This is my card.
That is.
It's very little. Show it to them up close. See, kids, it's very little.
Yeah.
It's very little.
Yep.
I'm going to put this right here. Okay, kids. I got egg surprise. That's what I just need to crack open. And crayon. I will put that with my other treasures. Dad, you help me with this one?
Well, I'm videotaping, so we'll do that one last.
Okay, let's do this one last, kids. And we're going to do a pyramid again. And my cards. And kids, watch me cut inside. See, kids, I cut right through it.
Mm-hmm.
Catwalk again. Don't need that. The catwalk counts for 0 points, kids. Let's see what this one is. It was a trick. I made a trick. Not A.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think there's nothing in here. How?
So funny, Mom.
I was looking for a particular G-chat between the 2 of us, but you can't search G-chats. But I just found
Ooh,
something
kids, this
that
one
you-
was back and it's open. Kids, watch this. Ooh, cat toy.
Mm.
Whoa!
It's not
Friends.
yours.
This is friends. So we are going to put it right there so she can buy it. So kids, there's the egg surprise. Give me. I got a double.
Oh, wow.
I think this one has something in it. A brown friend?
Whoa. Huh.
What? How did that happen?
Don't know.
I thought that was a cool surprise because it was 2.
Yep.
I thought it was a marble.
Oh,
Because
okay.
I like marbles.
Okay.
Because I got a lot of marbles in the other room. Because I will show the marbles after
Mm-hmm.
when we are all done breaking these open. What, the ice cream cone? What?
What?
How did that get there?
Mm-hmm.
Kids, that was magic. It just opened already. Ooh, there's an eagle on this one. Show them up close because it's small. What?
Nice.
Ooh, I think this one is a joke. Okay. Show them the yellow part because you can see them part. See, there's nothing in there I saw.
Mm-hmm.
That was nothing in there. It's like a cool mirror. Go to bed. Boom. Go to bed. That's his back one.
Go to my bed, Boom. That's right.
There was nothing in there. There was nothing in there. That's this orange thing.
Doesn't that mean there's a joke?
No, yeah, it is a joke, kids. Okay. Let's hear a joke. Knock, knock.
Mm-hmm. Knock, knock. Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Bananas can't ring the doorbell.
All right, let's get through this. We're up to 6 minutes now.
Okay. Kids, how about we just mash this one?
What is it?
It's a dust ball thread.
Hmm.
Okay. So put it over here. What?
Whoa.
Angry birds. I love angry birds.
Cool. Very nice.
Okay, Dad, I will hold the dome for you.
I can probably do both.
You, Dad, don't put that in your mouth. That
What
was
is it?
Gross. What the fuck? Okay, kids, let me show you the
Hold on.
marbles.
No, buddy. We got to get, this is just the
I
secret
want
one.
to show you my marbles.
We'll do that a different video, okay?
Please,
We're up to almost 7 minutes. We can't.
please, Dad, what's the
We'll do it. It's got to be fast.
Okay, kids. Dad, let's go. We need to run. Okay, kids. They're my marbles with the cups. They're my marbles. Do you see all of them? I can see from your dome, Dad.
All right. What do we say?
Goodbye, kids. Watch the rest of Briggs cutting mine up videos.
All right.